Hello everyone, Elaine here, and I'm gonna do a Facebook Live with you all today to show you how to make this easel card. So an easel card is one that will stand up like an easel, and there's many different sizes that you can do. This card is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I'm gonna show you how to make that, how to break that down. So you're gonna start with one piece of 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 inches of cardstock, whatever color you want, and then you're gonna score it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. And so that's gonna create the base of your card. You're also going to have another 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock. That's gonna be the top of your card. So you're going to start off by creasing all your folds with your bone folder. This piece is going to fold up, and then your base is going to be placed, your top is going to be placed on the base like this so it can form your easel. So I'm just gonna put some adhesive on this top part here. You wanna make sure you have strong adhesive or a lot of adhesive because it's a moving part, so I like to make sure that it's really secure, okay? And then on the front, I've used some of the All Is Bright Designer Series paper. It's got that Call Me Clover and Shaded Spruce on there. Let me see, I think I like it better this way. And I have already cut out using the Detailed Poinsettia dies this flower here. And I've cut out a green one as well that I'm going to be using as my leaves. And so you can just layer them together like so. I'm just gonna put some adhesive right on that green one. I'm gonna turn it to how I want it. Let's see here. This one I cheated a little bit, so I'm gonna make sure you can't see the cheat. Did you see it? Okay, and then I'm going to put some dimensionals on this. So this is the stamp set, Peaceful Poinsettia. And so this piece is cut out by this die here and the little holly by this. And then you've got some really pretty elements to make other cards with this as well. So now I can place this on the top of my card, just here in the corner. And this is a card we made last night at my demonstrator group meeting. And then on the inside, you want to use a piece of 4 by 4 piece of cardstock, and I've already stamped the greeting in Shaded Spruce on there. So I'm just going to put this down. All right, so now our last two elements, I've stamped Christmas wishes and then punched out with the Everyday Label Punch. And I'm going to place dimensionals on this as well. I love using dimensionals, as my class members and team know very well. So we'll just place that on there. And now we're gonna create the piece that's gonna hold the easel up. So I've done that with this stamp, and I colored so I can get 2 colors on the stamp. So coloring with markers, you can get more than one color on the stamp at the same time. So that's kind of nice. And I always use, I don't color straight up and down because that can ruin the point of your marker. You want to use the edge of your marker. So here's the edge of the marker. And then get some Shaded Spruce in here. The colors are Real Red and Shaded Spruce. I'm just gonna go in and color all the leaves. Okay. And I'm going to stamp that on a piece of Whisper White. And then I'm going to use this die from the Detailed Poinsettia dies right here. This will cut this out. like that. And then we'll get this. So now we have this piece. We definitely want to put dimensionals on this piece. This is a must. You have to have dimensionals on this piece because this is what is going to help create the easel. And you usually want to place your element that's going to hold the easel towards the bottom, so we'll just place it here. And then that's going to create the stop for our easel right there. So this is just a really quick and easy card, easel card. It'll fit in an A2 envelope for invitation size, just like regular cards will. It'll just be a little bit short, but this is just a really fun, different card that you can send in the mail really easily or give with a gift. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my little Facebook Live. It was a quick one today. I'm going to show you a couple of the other projects we did at my demonstrator meeting. We have a lot of fun in my group, so if you're local or even if you're not local and you'd like to join my team, you can sign up on my website, eastampin.com, and I'd love to have you. I can send all the projects that we do. We just pay a $5 supply fee. This is the second card that we did with the Wishing You Well stamp set, and it's a tunnel card. So you open it up and there's like a little tunnel in there. So this is a beautiful stamp set. It's one of the distinctive stamp sets. So it has this really realistic looking bow, and the rubber is etched specifically to create these dark and light areas all in one stamp. So you ink it once and you stamp it and you get all these beautiful darks and lights. We put the little bow inside. So I will be posting a video on how to create this card a bit later. The last project we did at my demonstrator meeting was this frame card. So this is kind of fun. You can create any size frame. This is a 3/4 frame, and then you can stamp anything inside, and this would be a fun home decor gift, display gift for Christmas or for any occasion. So I'll be doing a video on this and sharing the directions for this as well. Then I just wanted to show you some of my upcoming classes. So my next class is my shimmer paint class, and we're going to be creating 6 cards, 2 of each of these cards, using the shimmer paint. So this is the Champagne Mist shimmer paint, the Copper shimmer paint, and then we used the Frost White shimmer paint and sprayed it all over this. I hope you can see that. It's super pretty in person. So we'll be making 2 of each of these cards Thursday, October 25th, 10 a.m. or 7 p.m. The cost is $25 or free with a $30 order. So just contact me to RSVP for this class. And then this Saturday, I'm doing a home decor class. So let me get that for you as well. It's using the High Tide stamp set. We're going to create this 12 by 12 shadow box with the High Tide stamp set and some of the colorful seasons dies. Thanks, Tammy. And we're going to, it includes the shadow box. The class is $30 and it's this Saturday at 10 a.m. Let me show you one other class that I have coming up. This is a really fun one. I've had requests for this one. This is using the Home for the Holidays stamp set. Let me double check that. I'm sorry, Hearts Come Home stamp set. I knew it was something like that. And I put a bunch of glitter in there too, and I embossed in gold. But the funnest thing is I put lights in there. Isn't that cute? And so this is going to be Thursday, November 29th, 10 a.m. or 7 p.m. So this is filling up fast, and I only have a limited number of seats for this one. So you definitely want to RSVP ahead of time for this one. So it will include the frame and the lights. Isn't that cool? All right, so those are my upcoming classes. Thank you so much for watching this Facebook Live, and I will see you soon.